Is your old laptop running slow, struggling to start, or you can't upgrade to Windows 11? Revive your old laptop in few minutes. So you need to install Google Chrome OS Flex, which is available free from Google Store. You need to download this extension from the Chrome Web Store. This extension is specially meant to create a bootable USB drive. Now open the Google Chrome and search from ChromeOS Recovery Utility. Open the official extension from Chrome Web Store and click Add to Chrome. Click Get Started. Since we are installing ChromeOS Flex on a regular laptop, can select a model from a list. Then select ChromeOS Flex from the product list and click Continue. Now plug your USB flash drive into the computer. Choose the correct USB drive from the list, then click Continue. On the next screen, click Create Now. The recovery utility will now download the latest version of ChromeOS Flex directly from Google server and automatically create a bootable USB drive. Depending on your internet connection, this may take several minutes, so just let the process finish. So it will take some time here. You can see it's processing. Let it be. Depending on your internet connection, this may take several minutes, so just let the process finish. So it will pop up on your screen automatically that it has successfully finished the bootable USB drive. So it's done. Now once you see the confirmation message, safely remove the USB drive. Now we are ready to install ChromeOS Flex on our old laptop. You can see here the boot menu. I have pressed F12 key repeatedly to open the boot menu. If you are using a different brand like HP, Dell, Asus or Acer, your boot menu key may be different. From the boot menu, select your USB flash drive and press enter. After a few seconds, ChromeOS Flex will start loading. It will take some time because this is the first time installation we are doing it. So you can see ChromeOS has now loaded and you will see two options on the screen. The first option, try ChromeOS Flex, and the second is install ChromeOS Flex. If you are not completely sure whether everything on your laptop is compatible, you can choose try first and then lets you test ChromeOS Flex directly from the USB drive without making any changes to your existing operating system. If you are already decided to replace Windows, simply click install ChromeOS Flex. So here you can see two options are available, so you can choose as per your convenience. If you have anything important, make sure you have backed it up before moving ahead. Once you are ready, click install ChromeOS Flex and confirm the installations. Now here you need to select the internet connectivity, the Wi-Fi. You need to put your password here. So once you feed your passwords, click finish. We have connected to the internet. This is showing the message getting the device ready. Now it's time to complete the first step, setup. Once you are connected to the internet, ChromeOS Flex will continue with the setup automatically. Enter your Gmail address and click next. So you need to have a email ID, proper working email ID. Type your email ID here. So it should be your Gmail email address. Click next and then enter your password and sign in. Follow the remaining on the screen instruction to complete the setups. So I need to type the password here. Make sure you type your correct password, else it won't let you sign in. And make sure you have your internet connected, else it won't let you sign in at all. Click the agreements, another thing. synchronize your Chromebook. ChromeOS Flex. Now here the password to make it easier to sign in your computer. So I'll give a local password here, the normal login password. Click next. Your password is set. Click next. Your Chrome with the Gemini, the features all sets up. You arrive at the Chrome Flex desktop. Congratulations, your old laptop is now running Chrome OS Flex. Now comes the exciting part. Let's see how much faster this old laptop has become. First, I will open the YouTube and play a 4K Ultra HD video. You can check it out how quickly the video starts and how smoothly it plays. So let me show you here one. I'll open the 4K video. You can see it's opening super fast and it's running the better experience than compared to with the current or new laptop. You will get the same experience you are getting in the Chrome OS Flex here. Now let's open Google Chrome. The browser launches almost instantly. To test browsing performance, I'll search for FIFA World Cup 2026. Or you can search anything you want as per your need. Here you can notice the scrolling through the page feels smooth and responsive, right? Even the calendars here, it opened quickly. Even the file manager here, it opened quickly. The Flex is more details including the file apps. The quick settings here is almost very much quicker compared to the Windows. These all features performance is very much pretty faster. Experience some of inbuilt features here. You can see how much quicker the application is opening here. It's a very lightweight OS which you can available free from Google Chrome. You can see all the apps are showing here. The shortcuts are available. You can use the shortcuts here if you want to use the shortcuts. You can go to the Play Store. You can install any apps which is available in the web store, or you can download from the Play Store, Google Play Store itself. You want to install any particular app. The launcher responds instantly, making it easier search for and open your favorite apps. Now I'll open Application Store. Here you can see an example. I'll show you the pin threads. You go to the settings area. Here you can easily sign in and sign out. You can see here I have logged out, logged in back. Is very much quicker, isn't it? One of the biggest advantage of Chrome OS Flex is how light it is. Instead of consuming large amount of system resources like traditional operating system, Chrome OS Flex is designed to stay fast and responsive even an older laptop with limited hardware. That's exactly why so many people are choosing Chrome OS Flex as an alternative for aging Windows computer. It offers faster performance, improved security, and a clean modern experience. Thank you.